series A and series B. Two different series. For example, these are the series 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. This is one series. There is another series 2, 7, 12, 19 and so on. These two series are different if their first term is different, or their common difference is different, or both of them are different. I hope this notation it is clear. Sum of n terms in series A by sum of n terms in series B. Just to give you this, what do I mean by series A? Two series are said to be different if their first term is different or common difference is different. First term is different or common difference is different. What I will do is, I will replace n by 2n minus 1 in right hand side and I will see what is happening. If I replace what is happening, 2a1 plus 2n minus 2 into d1 divided by 2a2 plus 2n minus 2 into d2. What is this value? a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 by a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. What is this value? Nth term. What is this value? Nth term. Very, very important to note. Sum of n terms ratio will become nth term ratio only if I replace n by 2n minus 1 in right hand side. Are you all with me? Nth term, sum of n terms, it is in AP only. Sum of n terms in series, sum of n terms in arithmetic progression, the ratio can be converted into nth term ratio by replacing n by 2n minus 1 in right hand side. Are you all with me? SCAN by SBN equivalent to 2n plus 1 by 3n minus 1. Find 7th term in series A by 7th term in series B. The question is in arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms in series A by sum of n terms in series B is given by 2n plus 1 by 3n minus 1. Find the 7th term in series A by 7th term in series B. What did we just discuss? 7th term, nth term, sum of n terms ratio can be converted into nth term ratio by replacing n by 2n minus 1. It is nothing but 2n 2. 2n minus 1 plus 1 by 3n 2. 2n minus 1 minus 1. It is 4n minus 1 by 6n minus 4. What is n value here? 7. 4 into 7 minus. Otherwise, unnecessarily you will complicate things. 4 into 7 minus 1 by 6 into 7 minus 1. Clear? Very easily you will get it if you understand. It is a very, very important joint 2 questions. Sum of n terms. I hope this concept is clear. You can also do this problem in a different way. See here. Method 2. TA7 by TB7. What is TA7, sir? A1 plus 6A1. Yes, sir? Divided by A2 plus 6D. Right? I will multiply by 2. 2A1 plus 12D1 by 2A2 plus 12D2. Why am I multiplying by 2? It's based on the definition of sum of n terms. What is sum of n terms? If you see, sum of n terms is given by n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1. Are you all with me? Now if you observe closely, 2a1, because both are 7, 7, I will write it as 13 by 2 into 2a1 plus 13 minus 1 into d1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
13 by 2 into 2a2 plus 13 minus 1 into dt. Yes or no? What is this value, sir? What is this value? SCA 13. What is this value? SB 13. Wherever n is there, how much you have to substitute? 13. Yes or no? 27 divided by 38. Right? No, both are actually same. See here. This is TA7 by TB7. What did I say? Replace n by 2n minus 1. If I replace n by 2n minus 1, 7 is n. If I replace by 2n minus 1, how much I will get? 2 into 7 minus 1. How much it is? Both are same. Method 1, method 2. But you have to understand why I multiplied by 2. Because the difference, see, that is the importance of definitions. SAN is n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1. Method 1 and method 2.